Hi everyone, I'm Melody, a protein product manager in GenScript. Please allow me to take a few minutes to have a quick introduction of our company. GenScript Corporation is the world's leading product and service provider for life science research and manufacturing customers. Our company is founded in New Jersey, United States in 2002. And is that we established the R&D and production site in Nanjing in China in 2004. In 2015, GenScript listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. We established our biologic GMP CDMO R&D center in 2019. And when COVID-19 pandemic outbreaks last year, our company had a very quick action. GenScript CPAS kit was the first one to get US FDA's authorization for neutralizing antibody detection. Based on our solid gene synthesis technology, GenScript Biotech is divided into 4 sections, including life science service and products, biologics development and manufacturing, synthetic biology, and cell therapy. We provide reliable services and products to over 100,000 customers in more than 100 countries. Most of our customers are from pharmaceutical and biological companies. Until June this year, GenScript has more than 4,600 globally. More than 39% of them are master or PhD degrees. In addition, our company owns a number of intellectual property rights, including over 140 patents, over 500 pending patent applications, and a great number of trade secrets. Okay, let's take a look at recombinant proteins, which is one of the featured products in GenScript. Some recombinant proteins and growth factors are important adducts for producing cultured meat. They permit long-term maintenance, proliferation, and differentiation of cells outside the body. But the lack of cost-effective recombinant proteins in large quantities is a big obstacle in the cultured meat production industry. And GenScript, with the mission of make people and nature healthier through biotechnology, has more than 10 years of experience in R&D and production of recombinant proteins. We're very excited to support cultured meat manufacturers to make sustainable meat and protect the environment for the coming generations. Now let's take a look at what the technology we have. Our recombinant proteins are usually produced by 4 expression systems. They are E. coli, yeast, insect, and mammalian. We can scale up from laboratory level to industrial level to meet the needs of various types of customers. And we have a mature and stable purification process. The proteins are purified from microgram to grams through affinity purification, ion exchange, and other purification methods. The analytics usually include residue detection, mycoplasma detection, bioburden, and sterility testing. What the files we have? From product development to production and QC, we are all controlled. All documents are traceable, and the products are manufactured and tested under a quality management system of ISO 13485 and ISO 9001. And GMP grade products are in compliance with relevant GMP guidance. From expression to purity to QC, we have rigorous analytical methods, and complete process verification. We have regular personnel training to ensure the strict implementation of GMP grades. For basic GMP level products, we provide regulatory support, including DMF filing, on-site audits. We're also planning to apply for the Food Safety Management System certification, FSSC 22000. Okay, now in the process from drug development to final commercialization, and various levels of protein products will be used. For example, GMP grade, basic GMP grade, and GMP grade. Oh, the first one is, the research grade. So that's the 3 grades we have: research grade, basic GMP grade, and GMP grade. Here, the following table is a quality management system for different levels of products. Customers can choose the corresponding level products according to their needs. So usually customers can just generally try our RUO level products during the R&D stage. And basic GMP level products are produced in 13485 certified facilities, following the core principles of the GMP guideline. The environment is monitored regularly. The equipment has been 3Q verified. We'll provide TSE or BSE statement for animal-free products. QA guarantees product quality through the control OOS and deviation procedures. We also provide regulatory support, including DMF, on-site audits, change notifications, and quality agreements. The regulatory compliance include US and European pharmacopoeia on ancillary materials. Here, these are the demonstration of the facilities and equipment we just mentioned above, like the ACTA, HPLC, bioreactor, etc. Last, let's take a look at what the commonly used growth factors we provide in artificial meat. We have bovine and human species available, so you can choose those species. If you have other customized requirements, maybe like fish or some other species, please just let us know, and we can provide GMP grade customized products too. Please consult us if you have other customized requirements. Thank you for your time on my introduction. I'm very happy to see you on the symposium. Bye.